Blood orange sorbet is a classic, bright, vibrant, and packed with flavor and antioxidants, which is especially welcome in the colder months. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make it the authentic way, comparable to what you'll find in a gelato shop in Italy. Be sure to grab blood oranges while they're in season for the best flavor. Although blood oranges contain a high percentage of water, our sorbet syrup keeps the texture creamy, soft, and scoopable. Make sure to prepare one of our sorbet syrups first. From there, this recipe comes together quickly with just syrup and freshly squeezed blood orange juice. This recipe has been adapted from our orange sorbet recipe in our book, The Art of Making Gelato. You can also get the recipe in the video description below. Watch through to the end for a few additional tips. Let's get started. Once churned, allow the sorbet to firm in your freezer for 2 to 4 hours before serving. The result is a perfectly balanced citrus sorbet, refreshing after any meal, any time of year. A few tips. Serve this sorbet between 8 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, it will scoop easily, minimize the perception of ice crystals, and allow the flavor to fully come through. Watch our video on how best to serve gelato and sorbet at home right on our channel. If the syrup level feels high, you can reduce it slightly, but remember, sugar provides structure, especially in home machines that produce minimal overrun. That structure is what delivers smooth gelato shop quality results. Feel free to adjust to your taste. Buon appetito! No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Join me inside Gelato Lab for advanced recipes, smart scaling tools, and flavor development guidance built for homemakers and professionals alike. Or visit my websites for free and premium resources, gelato FAQs, and consulting support. Thanks for watching.
For a lot of gelato!